Hello guys, this is your teacher, Mrs. Brown, and I want you to get the document that looks like this on your screen. It says Latin America Challenge Part 1, and I want you to notice the part that says Geography 1 and Geography 2 because you will be doing certain things with that. So, once you have that out, let's make it so you can see. I want you to kind of highlight this section and all the other things you don't need. You will not be needing any of those other things. Geography 1 and 2 are just some challenges that I want you to work together and work through in your group. And in order to do that, I have sent you a team collaboration document. So this is an example of one where you're going to use this chart in order to house all of your information that you're going to start researching and collecting. And in order to collect information, you need to know what you're doing. First, you are identifying the location of renewable and non-renewable natural resources such as fresh water, coal, fossil fuels, fertile soil, and timber in Latin America. So for that part, let's say you each have your own row, okay? And then if you want to focus on a specific country in Latin America, that's fine. You will list renewable and non-renewable resources and maybe have a picture of that. But in addition, I want you to make sure that you are able to show that information on a map. The second thing that you're going to do is identify and analyze ways people have modified the physical environment in Latin America, such as wind turbines, hydropower plants, nuclear power plants, solar power plants, biomass, etc. So all of those are alternative forms of energy. And since we've already had a lesson on modifications, you already know what that modification means. Anything that you do to the land that alters the way that it originally looked. So if I place a big nuclear power plant in the middle of a desert or solar powered solar screens in the middle of whatever, that's changing how the land looks. So you're going to focus on alternative sources of energy as modifications. So you're not going to be talking about terracing or deforestation or any of that. Wind turbines, hydropower plants, nuclear power plants, solar power plants, etc. Then you need to analyze. So when you get to your document, of course you have your name, your country, if you want to focus on a specific country. In other words, you need to figure out where in Latin America do they have solar panels, and because that would be the modification. Solar panels. So you're going to type solar panels, and then you need to figure out where in Latin America that is. Why do they have solar panels there? Why did they put it there? That would be the causes. What are the results? Like, how does it help the people or the country? That would be the possible results. What are the key factors? Key factors can mean different things. They can mean different types of maybe conflicts or different key points about that specific modification. But you just are going to collect as much information as you can in order to identify ways that people have modified the environment. So that's your second part. You're going to spend the better part of today through next week in order to collect all of your information. And this will be part 1 of your research. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope that you all have a wonderful day. I know y'all are going to do a great job. Bye.